Good morning, 3K Scholars. Today is Thursday, April the 30th, 2020. We're going to start with our literacy. Remember, yesterday we started with the sight work video C. So we're going to watch that video one more time, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to practice writing some sentences together, and then you're going to have an opportunity to write sentences on your own. So let's get started.
S E E S E E. I can see you. S E E S E E S E E. I can see you. S E E. I see the sun. I see the moon. I see me, and I see you. S E E S E E. I can see you. S E E.
All right, friends, that was a great video on C. The first word that you heard in that video was C. All right, so let's pull it down. C, C, S, E, E, C, 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 S, E, E, C. All right, and then they started making sentences. The first word that you saw in the sentence was I. Can you guys say I? I see. I see a. All right, I see a. So that's the sentence that we're going to make today, friends. I see a, and then we're going to add to the end of that, okay? I see a. All right, let's do that together. So remember, when we're making sentences, it's just a whole bunch of words that are put together to make a sentence. And those words are individual sounds that are coming together to make a word. Like C, the individual sounds that you hear in C is S, E. All right, so the individual sounds that you hear in C is S, E, E. All right, S, E. All right, what's the individual sound that you hear in dog? D, 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 Og. All right, so the individual sounds that you hear in C is S, E, E, S, E, S, E. The individual sounds in dog is g, dog. All right. So we're gonna make sentences with I-C-A. All right. So I'm gonna start it out. The first word that you will hear is I. Okay. I see. Remember S-E-E. I see. So we're gonna put a square rectangle around that. C-A. Now let's think about it. I-C-A. Dog. Remember, if you can't spell the word dog, you could draw a picture, friends. All right, so one way that you can do it is you can draw a picture. So I'm going to draw a picture of a dog because I don't know how to spell dog. Okay, so there's my picture of my dog. Okay, I see a dog. And remember, on the end of your sentence, you have to have punctuation. The punctuation that we're going to use is because we're making a statement. I see a dog. That's our statement. Okay, so I'm going to put a period for because that's a statement. It's not a question, it's a statement. I see a dog. All right. Now, in our video, I saw something else. I saw a sentence that said, I see you. Okay? You. All right, so I'm going to say, I see, remember, S-E-E for see. I see you. So you would be like you, like all of you 3K scholars. And so if I'm going to draw a picture of you, that means I'm going to draw a picture of a girl or a boy. So today I'm going to draw a picture of a boy. I see you. So if I'm looking at someone, I'm looking at a little boy right now. I see you. All right, so I'm going to draw a picture. This is my picture of a little boy. So I'm going to give him some details. He has hair, eyes, nose, mouth, ears, and I'm going to draw his body. Give him some shoes, arms, hands, with a little jacket on, and some pants. All right, so there's my little boy. I see you, but that's representing you. So I'm going to put a period to close my sentence out. All right, now, how could I write these words, like sound these words out? Let's sound these words out. I see a d. What sound do you hear in dog, friends? D, D, ah. O, like Oliver Octopus. G, like Gordo Gorilla. G, all right? So it would be I see a dog. I see you. Yeah. What sound is that, like Yancey yak? You. Oh, or I see you. So what letter do you hear in there? Or what sound do you hear? You. Yeah. Ooh. So what do I put? Y, like Yancey yak? Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. What do I hear? Like, oh, like a, oh, you. Okay? You. Oh, you. Okay? All right. Now, let's do a few more, friends. All right. So, in our video, I saw a B as well. So, let's write that sentence. I see S-E-E. I see a B. So how can I sound that out? I see a B. What do I hear? The letter B. So I'm going to write a B. Okay? I-C-A-B. Okay, then I'm going to put a period at the end. If I don't know how to sound that word out, I'm going to just do it like this. Remember, I can draw a picture. I-C-A-B. And then I can draw a picture of a B. Remember, I don't have yellow. So if you don't have those colors, I'm just going to draw my picture. Okay? And then just leave it like that. Okay? So remember to put a period on the end. I-C-A-B. Remember to highlight this word. All right, now I'm going to do one more. I-C-S-E-E. I-C-A book. I-C-A-book. Okay? So I don't know how to spell the word book, so I'm just going to draw a picture of a book. All right, there's my picture of my book. And remember to put a period on the end because that makes my sentence complete. I see a book. So let's read our word. Let's read our sentences together. I see a bee. I see a bee. I see a book. Let's try to write this sentence. Again, trying to sound it out. I see a bee, like Bubba Bear. B uh 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 b maybe U K. Okay. All right. So then I'm gonna put a period on the end. I see a book. All right. Okay. Now I want you guys to practice writing that today. Okay, so you're going to have an opportunity with mommy and daddy. I want you to practice writing some words. Not words, but sentences, friends, with the sight word see. Remember the sentence that you're going to start with is going to be I see I see a. I see a. And then you're going to complete it. Put what you see on the end, okay? I see a. All right? So practice writing your sentences today. I want to see all of your wonderful writing. And remember, if you can't sound it out, because of the word is basically sounds put together to make a word. If you can't sound it out, draw a picture. Okay? But always remember to put a period on the end of your sentence. Okay? Remember to put your punctuation, a period, on the end. All right, friends. I'll see you later. I can't wait to see your work. Bye-bye.